Hi everyone, today's video tutorial is about an online quiz game platform, Kahoot. It is a game-based learning. Kahoot makes it easy to create fun learning games or quizzes in minutes, anytime and anywhere. So let's look at how to use Kahoot in our Android phones. So today we'll be learning how to play Kahoot as a teacher. So the first step you have to do is to go to the Play Store. Select this Kahoot app with this purple icon and install it. After you're done installing that, you have to press the open button there. It will give you a page like this where you have to press the next button, and if you press the next button, a page like this will pop out where you have to answer the question of whether you're using this app, whether you're playing as a teacher or as a student. So today we are playing as a teacher, so we press the teacher button there. Now if you press the teacher button, it will give you a page like this again where you have to describe your workplace. So for today we will be pressing the school. The school will be our workplace, so press the button school. After this, it will give you a page like this, and since we are a new user, we have to create an account, so you press the sign up button. If you press the sign up button, it will let you go to a page like this where you have to insert your email and password. Now you can directly press the first bar, that is continue with Google also, since you already have your email address in your Google. So after you have successfully inserted the email, you have to press this sign up button, and that is the final step for you to enter inside the Kahoot app. So after you press the sign up button, a page like this will pop out, which is a home page for the Kahoot. So this is the final step for entering inside the Kahoot app, and it will lead you to a home page. So after you have successfully signed up for Kahoot app, this is how the home page will look like, where you can see 5 buttons at the bottom of your screen. The first one is your home, where you can see all the quizzes that you have created. The second button is your discovery button, where you can see many topics, and you also have a ready-made quizzes created by some other teachers, so you can also use this one. The third button is your enter pin, where you press it when you are supposed to join the quizzes created by somebody else. So you will not press this since you're using Kahoot as a teacher. So the next one, the create button, you have to press this. So when you press this create button, it will lead you to a page where you have to add the title on which you're going to create the quiz. So for me, I will write pH scale. So you can also add a cover image to make it more flashy and more eye-catchy. So I can just select anything from here, or you can also search for it. So this is the cover page that I am choosing. Now to create the question, to add the question, you have to press the add question button on your right side of the screen. So you press the add question, and you have to press the quiz button here. So you can also create true or false or puzzle type of question, but for now I'm pressing the quiz button. After you press this quiz button, you also have an option to adjust the timing, the time that you want to allot to your students for solving one question. So it's 20 seconds, so I'm giving 20 seconds. Now you add the question here. The first question would be, what is the color of pH 2? So this is the first question that I'm giving. Now you have to add 4 options for the answer. So the first answer would be red. If I am giving red and this is the right answer, you have to give a sign that it is a right answer. So I am pushing the green button here, which indicates that this is the right answer. After this, you also have to add another 3 option. So you can just give any option out here which is not a correct answer. So indigo, last one is green. So this is how you create a quiz. Now the minimum question that you can add is 5 questions. So you can keep on adding the question on by pressing the addition sign on the right side of your screen. So you keep on adding the question here. 1, 2 question, 3 question, 4 question, and 5 questions, since 5 question is your minimum question. So after you have created all the 5 questions, so you can see all the 5 questions down here with 1 correct option each. After this, you have to go to the top left where you can see a small arrow mark there. So you press there. If you press there, you can see all the questions that you have created with 4 options and 1 correct answer, and also with time limit. So after this, you have to save. You have to press the save button on your top right. So you press the save button. Okay, so after you have pressed the save button, you go to this one. You press the quiz that you have created, and you can see these 3 dots here on the middle part of your screen on the right side. So you press these 3 dots here, and you press the share button. So if you press the share button, then you will find a page where you can share it in any platform, be it in Google Classroom, be it in WhatsApp or Gmail or message. Or you can also copy the link directly and go to WhatsApp and copy the link out there, so that the students can press the link and enter the pin and play the quiz there. So this is how we use Kahoot as a teacher.